Alright, yo, I'm gonna try to help y'all. Try to show y'all how I sample real quick. New beat. Alright. Let's check my preferences just in case you're just different. You go to audio. Make sure this is on shared. Make sure this is shared. Make sure it's shared. MIDI. All the same. Alright. On your sound. Microphone off. Straight to stereo. Playback stereo headphones. And that's it. Just make sure that this is on shared. Go to your studio for sampling. Detect. Turn it way down. Sometimes just turn it off, don't matter. And you go straight to your video, whatever you want to sample. So I'm gonna start my sample. Notice as soon as I push play, it's gonna start showing the music going right here. It's already recording. It's some random video I just found. The only wire I have is USB to my computer, no other wires. You don't need to do all that extra stuff. It's all about settings. Simple. Slow it down a little bit. Go to edit. I'll make a fire beat with that real quick. Quick 2-second beat just to show y'all. Took me a while to figure it out, but I figured it out. I don't know how. Well, I don't even know if it was that hard, but it was for me. I usually put this up to 4. Drag my sample all the way to the end of 4. Then I just slow down my BPMs when it goes. Not bad already. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on Skylark. mess with the sample, you can go back to sample, edit, slice,